Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Code. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. This session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. And do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when we come up with this session, you all get notified. This session comes exactly at 9 every day, so do not forget to hit on that bell icon. And for the PDF of this particular session, you can get it from our Telegram channel. The link is there in the description. With that being said, let's start this session. The first word that we're going to discuss today is scuttle. Scuttle means to move quickly with small, short steps, especially in order to escape. So you're trying to move very quickly, and here we term it as you're trying to escape somebody. So you're trying to move very quickly with small short steps. The image will make it very clear. Here you could see this particular person is scuttling here and this particular person is running here. So there's a difference between both of them. Coming to the example, we have crab scuttled away under a rock as we passed. So you all must have seen crabs and the legs they have. So they move very quickly with short steps. So therefore we use this particular example. The synonyms are scamper, scurry, trot. All of them are different. All of them are important. I'll star mark all of them. Okay. And the antonyms here are walk, dawdle and step. Simple. Next we have the word astute. Astute means very clear, good at judging people or situations. So you're very clear and you're very good at judging people and the situation. If you know what kind of people you're dealing with, you know how to talk to them. If you know what kind of situation you are in, you know how to react to that particular situation as well. The example here states, astute readers will have noticed his reference. So when a author writes something, he leaves lots of references in the book, and a reader that is clever and is good at judging will be able to notice the references in the book or the play here. The synonyms are shrewd and sharp, and the antonyms here are stupid. Okay. Next word for us is syncretic. Syncretic means characterized by or brought about by the combination of different forms of belief or practice. So you've brought together a combination of different forms of beliefs, cultures, anything, you are bringing them together here. Okay, so it is syncretic in nature. The image depicts the same and makes it very clear here. The example says, Dr. Portman practices a syncretic form of medicine, borrowing from both Eastern and Western medical traditions. So he's bringing both the Eastern and the Western medical traditions together in the form of medicine that he's using. So he's practicing a syncretic form of medicine. The synonyms are blend, coalescence, and we have combined, commingle, and conflate. Here conflate, commingle and this one are all important, and I'm star marking them. Pay extra attention on these. The antonyms here are individual, non-reciprocal, non-complementary. So they are different and they're segregated basically. Next word we have is rev. Rev means when an engine revs, or when you rev it, it turns quickly and noisily. So you're trying to turn on something and it turns on quickly and noise. It produces noise as you start it. Okay. The example here is, it was a period when Singapore revved up our industrialization and urban rebuilding. So they were turning on to it very quickly. Okay. They were turning on the industrialization very quickly. Okay. And here when you use revved, you use the word up here. Okay. The synonyms are encourage, provoked, fired up, and the antonyms here are subdued and calm. Next word for us is travail. Travail means engage in painful or laborious effort. So you're engaging in effort or which is very painful, laborious, in that kind of way. So you're engaging in those kind of activities. Okay, here also in the image you could see there are few men who are engaging in laborious work here. Okay. The example says, it took 3 years and many travails, but it happened. So in some sort of work that the person is doing, here it took a lot of years, it took around 3 years and many travails, many laborious efforts to make that particular thing happen. The synonyms are distress and agony. The antonyms here are comfort, relief, and solace. This is important. We'll star mark that. Next word for us is travesty. Travesty is the last word for today, and it means something that does not have the qualities or values that it should have in a way that is often shocking or offensive. So, something that needs to have those qualities, needs to have those values, it does not have it, and it is kind of shocking and at times offensive. Coming to the sentence, we have this trial has proved to be a travesty of justice. So, the justice here that was served during this particular trial lacked those qualities that justice needs to have. So, it was very shocking and offensive towards the people as well. The synonyms here are parody, farce, and sham, and the antonym here are tribute. Okay. Next, we come to the word for today, that is torpedo. You must have heard this word a lot. So, I expect you to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section, as well as the synonyms and antonyms related to this particular word. I hope you all participate and interact in the session as much as possible. It shows that you were actually interested in the session to me. So, make sure to do so. And lastly, do not forget to like this session if you have watched it and you do like the content. Then make sure to hit the like button. I know it does not mean a lot to you guys, but it means a lot to us. The less number of likes actually act as very demotivating factor. So make sure to do hit on the like button. In the comments, answer the question that we asked, and any other feedback related to the particular session that you might have, make sure to mention it there. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.